Thank you for joining us. Subscribe to our channel for the latest technological information. In this video, we will cover neural interface headsets. Brain-computer interface technology has reached a new milestone, with headsets capable of interpreting basic neural signals in real time. These devices hold promise for medical rehabilitation, allowing paralyzed patients to control prosthetics or communicate more easily. Space-based solar power. Space agencies and private companies have launched pilot satellites that collect solar energy in orbit and beam it to Earth using microwaves. Early tests show this could provide a constant, weather-proof source of clean energy. 6G development. Researchers in Japan, South Korea, and Europe have achieved terabit per second transmission speeds in controlled 6G trials, with commercial rollout expected around 2030. 6G will enable real-time holographic calls, ultra-precise remote surgery, and massive Internet of Things connectivity. Biodegradable electronics. Scientists have developed microchips, sensors, and circuit boards that naturally decompose without leaving toxic waste. This innovation could significantly reduce the 50 million tons of e-waste generated globally each year. Quantum computing progress. In a groundbreaking achievement, tech giants like IBM and Google have unveiled quantum processors with unprecedented qubit stability. This leap in performance moves quantum computing from theory toward real-world applications, including advanced climate modeling, drug discovery, and ultra-secure encryption. Self-healing materials. A new class of polymers can repair microscopic cracks and scratches without human intervention. This technology could lead to smartphones, cars, and even spacecraft that last far longer with less maintenance. AI-generated medicine. Artificial intelligence is transforming pharmaceutical research. AI platforms can now design, simulate, and validate new drug molecules in weeks rather than the years required by traditional methods. Experts believe this could revolutionize treatments for cancer, rare diseases, and antibiotic-resistant infections. AI-enhanced cybersecurity. Cybersecurity firms are integrating AI systems that detect and neutralize cyber threats in real time. These advanced defenses are proving vital against increasingly sophisticated ransomware and state-sponsored attacks. Personalized 3D printing. From custom sneakers to individually tailored medical implants, 3D printing technology is making on-demand manufacturing more accessible and affordable. This could disrupt global supply chains and reduce waste. Green data centers. Major technology companies are investing in AI-powered cooling systems for their massive data centers. These systems have cut energy use by up to 40%, significantly lowering carbon emissions while keeping pace with global data demand.